So today we are here at an airfield doing the flight tests for a new batch of VTOLs that are going to be delivered. So we're making sure that every single drone is flown and tested to make sure that our customers get all the drones working properly. The flight tests are just taking off, checking all of the readings from the sensors, making sure that it's all stable in quad mode and fixed wing mode, that all of the transitions and the readings of the sensors are accurate while the drone is flying, and then also tuning all of the readings from the battery usage to make sure that also that it checks out when the customer gets it. Weather's been a bit rough today, so high winds with a lot of gusts, and also it's been raining a bit, drizzling here and there, but for the VTOL it's not really an issue. The flight envelope is very broad, and so even though it's a bit uncomfortable for the user, the drone is just super safe.